Alright, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's been snowing for quite a long time over here. 2 hours ago it was 1 to 4 inches out there, so I don't know what it is now. But let's see how I can show you. Visibility's cut down really bad here. Everything's white, gray. Very pretty. Cold. Alright, Uriah, what do you think of the snow? You like it? Yeah. Let's go for a walk. I don't know if you can hear that. The wind right above me. What do you think, Uriah? Let's go in. Visibility is, you can see, on the deck now. How you doing there, huh? Okay, this morning, 7:30. February 2nd, Groundhog Day. Yeah. Blizzard's still working. I guess the winds are really bad. We can see this. It's in the afternoon. It's almost 2 o'clock. Sun's out. The storm has stopped. The winds are less. They're still here, but they're less.